Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will introduce you to a set of powerful tools that are transforming the way businesses operate. It is all about artificial intelligence tools for business. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's a reality that's reshaping industries across the globe. These AI tools are designed to streamline operations, boost productivity, and enhance decision making. Now let's explore the 13 best artificial intelligence or AI tools for business. The first one is the smartwriter.ai. It is an AI powered writing assistant that helps you create compelling and error free content effortlessly. It's like having a writing expert by your side. Next is copy.ai. Copy.ai is a versatile AI tool that generates copy for marketing, social media, and more. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to engaging content. The third one is Jasper. Jasper is an AI platform designed to enhance your customer service with automated response and support. It's like having a 24/7 virtual assistant for your business. The fourth one is SEMrush. So, for SEO enthusiasts, SEMrush SEO writing assistant is a must-have. It analyzes your content's SEO potential and provides suggestions to improve your rankings. The fifth one is Copysmith. Copysmith is your AI copywriting companion, crafting product descriptions, ad copies, and more. It's a time-saving powerhouse for e-commerce businesses. The sixth AI tool is Fireflies. Fireflies is an AI-powered meeting assistant that takes notes, transcribes meetings, and helps you stay organized. Say goodbye to meeting chaos. The seventh AI tool is Tidio. Tidio offers AI chatbots for your website, enhancing customer engagement and support. It's a game changer for online businesses. The eighth AI tool is Timely. Timely is an AI-driven time tracking tool, making project management and invoicing a breeze. It's the productivity boost for your business needs. Next is Clockwise. Clockwise optimizes your calendar for productivity by rearranging meetings for more focused work time. It's like having a personal schedule optimizer. Next is AdCreative.ai. AdCreative.ai simplifies the ad creation process with AI-generated ad copies and visuals. It's the secret to eye-catching advertising. The 11th AI tool is Hunch. Hunch is an AI tool that analyzes your financial data to provide actionable insights. It's your financial advisor in the digital age. The 12th AI tool is the Smartly.io. Smartly.io is an AI-driven advertising platform that maximizes your ad performance across social media. Say hello to efficient ad campaigns. The last one is Celtra. Celtra is a creative automation platform that streamlines the ad creation process. It's your creative studio powered by AI. And that's it! You now have a glimpse of AI tools are revolutionizing various aspects of business operations. These tools are your allies in the world of business, helping you work smarter, not harder. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching 13 Best Artificial Intelligence Tools for Business. See you on my next video.